Liquor factories don't want you to know that. I'll start by adding 500 milliliters of milk in a blender, then 3 ESGGYOLKS, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, finally 4 tablespoons of sugar. Done this, I will beat everything very well until all the ingredients mix and aggregate. This recipe is amazing. I'm sure it will surprise you. Now I will add the beet mixture in the pan. Then I'll start stirring constantly until it starts to incorporate and reaches that consistency. After that, I will transfer to a container. This recipe is simply amazing and delicious. Make it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I will take to the fridge for 2 hours. After time, I will pour our recipe into the blender. This recipe has already become routine here at home. I'm sure that as soon as you taste it, it will become routine in your home as well. Now I'm going to add 395 grams of condensed milk. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Mary Furia from Malta. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I will put a cup of whiskey, a tablespoon of soluble coffee, a tablespoon of chocolate powder, and I will beat everything very well. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe. So amazing that the result has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I can't stop doing it. Once that's done, I'll transfer our recipe to a jar so we can serve. This recipe is perfect for you to make at a party. I'm sure everyone will like it. Now I'll put some ice in a bowl, but it's optional. Finally, I will serve our delicious recipe and we'll be ready. Look how beautiful it was. Now just enjoy. This delight is an amazing recipe. Quick, easy goes. Few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.